I think of a trademark as the hungriest of your IP assets. It has to be fed continuously to stay alive. If you own your trademark registration personally, it is, of course, personal property. When you die, it passes to your estate and then to whoever inherits it, whether that's specified in a will, a trust, or your state's default intestacy rules if you have neither. The ownership can transfer. The registration can be maintained. None of that is legally impossible. But here's what makes trademarks different from almost every other kind of property you'll ever own. Your trademark only survives if someone keeps using it, specifically using it in commerce in connection with goods and services listed in the registration. Not just owning the piece of paper, actually using the brand to sell the products or services it covers. Under U.S. trademark law, 3 years of non-use creates a rebuttable presumption of abandonment. That means if your brand goes unused for 3 years because your business is in limbo, because your heirs don't know what to do with it, because everyone is in litigation, someone can challenge that registration and argue it should be abandoned, and they can win. On top of that, your trademark registration has maintenance deadlines that do not care whether you were alive to meet them. Between the 5th and 6th year after registration, you have to file proof of continued use. At the 10-year mark, you renew, again with proof of continued use. Every 10 years after that. These deadlines keep coming. The USPTO does not send a sympathy notification when an owner dies. The deadline passes, nobody files, the registration is canceled. And here's the part that should genuinely frighten you as if all of that didn't. When a registration is canceled for non-use or non-renewal, it doesn't just disappear into the void, it becomes available. Your competitors may be watching. A brand you spent years and real money and sweat building and protecting can, under the right circumstances, be claimed by someone else. That's not a hypothetical. That is trademark law working exactly as designed. I'm Julie King with King Patent Law. Ready to protect your brand and business? Book a consultation at kingpatentlaw.com. Avoid the legal horrors and keep rocking your IP. This is not legal advice and I'm not your lawyer. For advice about your specific situation, consult with a licensed attorney. This contains attorney advertising material. Firm address and contact information are available at kingpatentlaw.com.